Hello students, how are you to all? Good day to all students. Students, today we will take a topic quadratic equation. Then we take the methods of the quadratic equation. How many methods are there if we solve the quadratic equation? Then students, I tell already in the last video. Then here are the three total methods of the solving of the quadratic equation. Then first method is prime factorization method. Second method is Sridharacharya method. Third method is perfect square method. And student, method number first is understand. I explained already in the last video. Then we discuss about in this video the methods of the quadratic equation. Only two methods. Then first method is Sridharacharya method. Sridharacharya method, and second is perfect square method. Perfect square method. And third method is prime factorization method. I explained already in last video. You can see from there, no problem. Then students, what is the Sridharacharya method? How to solve this equation from the Sridharacharya method? इस इक्वेशन को Sridharacharya method से कैसे solve करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? सबसे पहले आपको फॉर्मूला लगाना चाहिए. First is compulsory for you that you write the formula of the Sridharacharya method. Okay ना? What is the formula of Sridharacharya method, student? Yes. Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, students, it is the formula of the Sridharacharya method. And students, we will require in this formula a, b and c. What is the a, what is the b and what is the c? Okay. A is the coefficient of x square. B is coefficient of x. And c is the constant. Okay, then all are available in this equation, no problem. Then you select from here and put in the formulas only. Okay, then students, a, b and c. What is the value of a from this equation, student? What is the value of a? Is 2. Value of a is the coefficient of x square. Now what is the coefficient of x square? Means of coefficient is the multiples. Okay, no? What is the value of b? What is the value of b? Minus 7. And c means constant. Constant is 3. Okay. Then we put these values in the formula. Okay. And what is formula? Minus sign is compulsory according to formula. What is the value of b? Minus 7. Then minus 7 plus minus root b. What is the value of b? From here minus 7. Minus 7 square minus 4ac. 4 is permanently. What is the value of a? 2. What is the value of c? Is 3. And downside is 2a. Okay. Then what is the value of a? What is the value of a? 2. We solve, students. Minus minus plus. Plus 7 plus minus. Minus 7 square 49. Minus 4 to ja 8. 8 3 ja 24 upon 2 to ja 4. Okay, student. Next step, what we will do? 7 is same as plus minus 49 minus 24, 25 upon downside is 4. Okay, student. And we remove the square root from here. Then you know that 25 is the square of 5 na? Then 7 plus minus 25 is the square of 5 upon downside is 4. Okay. Then students, you look here that 5 is with double sign, plus and minus. Then we distribute the different types of the 5. Then how to distribute? Then 7 is permanently. Okay na? Then we take 5 one time in plus and second time in minus. Okay. Then one time in plus 5, downside is 4. 7 5 12. 12 upon 4 is equal to 3. Okay. Then after second condition we take 5 with the sign of minus. Then here is 7. Then we take in minus 5 upon 4. How much answer? 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. Then students, what is the zeros of this equation? 3 and 1 upon 2. Clear? Then students, in this methods, the compulsory point of this that you learn the formula first. You learn the formula and what will be required according to formula a, b and c. What is the a, b and c? Coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and constant is c. All are available in this equation. And you select from the equation and after you put in the formula. Okay, and usually calculate the zeros of this equation. Okay, Then students, we understand that I explained that what is the Sridharacharya method, what is the formula and how to solve by the Sridharacharya method. And now we will discuss the second method, perfect the square method. Perfect the square method. We will take the same equation and now we'll solve the by the perfect square method. How to solve the perfect square method, student? Then we use the some steps in this question. कुछ steps अपन को use करनी पड़ेगी, कुछ steps के according अपन इस question को solve करेंगे. Steps क्या होंगे? Only 3 steps आपको ध्यान रखनी इस question में. वो steps क्या क्या होंगे आप ध्यान दीजिए, कंटिन्यू बने रहिए. देखिए स्टूडेंट, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर मेथड की बात कर रहा हूं. परफेक्ट द स्क्वायर मेथड, इस मेथड से अपन इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है, चलो सबसे पहले व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप इफ यू सॉल्व द इक्वेशन बाय द परफेक्ट द स्क्वायर मेथड. स्टूडेंट, जस्ट लुक एट हियर, ऑल टर्म्स आर डिवाइडेड बाय कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x square. What means of this line, students? What means of this line? All terms are divided by coefficient of x square. Then what is the all terms of equation? Is to do, you write first 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. What means of this line? Then all terms are divided. All terms means 2x square minus 7x plus 3 and 0 also. All are divided by coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? Here is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 2. Coefficient of x square is 2. Okay ना? And all terms are divided by coefficient of x square. अपन इस स्टेप में सभी टर्म्स को डिवाइड कर देंगे कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर से. तो सभी टर्म्स 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0, सभी को किससे डिवाइड कर देंगे? 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. इसको भी कर दिया, इसको भी 2 से डिवाइड, एंड दिस आल्सो एंड दिस आल्सो. ओके ना? देन 2 cross out from 2, what is remaining? X square. Here is remaining 7 upon 2x. Here is remaining 3 upon 2, and here is remaining only 0. 0 by 2, 0. Okay. Then what is the next steps? Okay. Transfer of constant in other side. In other. Students, what is the constant in this equation? 3 upon 2 is constant na? Then we transfer in the other side. Okay. Then what is remaining? X square minus 7 upon 2x, and 3 upon 2 is in plus na, and change in minus in other side. Minus 3 upon 2. Second step complete na? Second step complete. What is the second step? Transfer of constant in the other side. Then we transfer of the constant in the other side. Okay. Then what is the third step? It is very important step for the perfect the square method. Very very important step. Okay. What is the important step? Add in both sides half of the both sides square of half of coefficient of x. What means of this step, students? Add in both side. What is both side? One side and second side. What we will be add in the both side, that we add both side square of half. First you do half of the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x of half. First we do the half of coefficient of x, and after we do the square of the half, and after we do the add in the both side. Okay, student? Then we make a note at here. First we do half of coefficient of x. Half of coefficient of x. Student, what is the coefficient of x at here? What is the coefficient of x at here? What is the coefficient of x? 7 upon 2 only. Note we write down at here with this sign. Okay, students? Only numbers, only coefficient. Okay. Then 7 upon 2. What is the half of 7 upon 2? Half of the coefficient of x, na? It is the coefficient of x. And what is the half? Means of half, we do multiply by half. Okay. Then 7 upon 4 is the half of the coefficient of x. Okay, we do work, and what we will do? Square. And what is the square? Square of this number 7 upon 4 square. Understand? Now this number is added in both sides. Added in both sides. What is the both side? X square minus 7 upon 2x. This side is 1 and second side is 3 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2, and this number is added in the both side. And x square minus 7 upon 2x added in this number. Add here same as, and we also add this number right here. Okay, we add in both sides same number. This number is come from the not. Okay, next friend. Then after, then students here आपको यहाँ पे दो आइडेंटिटी यूज लेनी है, या तो a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर, या लेना आपको a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये स्टेप आपकी, या तो a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर बनेगी या a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर बनेगी. ये कौन डिसाइड करेगा? ये डिसाइड करेगा बीच वाला टर्म, क्योंकि a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर क्या होता है? a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. And what is the whole square of a minus b? A square minus 2ab plus b square. But here is the difference between the both of them. Then 2ab is in plus in a plus b ka whole square, and 2ab is in minus in a minus b ka whole square. That means middle term is decided that which identity will be used in this question. Okay. Then यहाँ पे आपका माइनस का साइन, इसका मतलब आपको कौन सी आइडेंटिटी यूज लेनी है? a minus b का whole square. कहने का मतलब फर्स्ट टर्म किसका स्क्वायर हो गया? x का हो गया. And middle term we check the 2 minus 2ab and plus 2ab ना. Then here is the minus sign, and then we check minus 2ab. Minus 2, what is the value of a? X. And what is the value of b? 7 upon 4. It is the a and it is the b. Okay. 4 cut from the 2 and you check 7x upon 2. It's correct. Okay. Then in this side, then minus 3 upon 2 plus 7 square is 49 and 4 square is 16. Okay, student. Then student, it is the expanded of the a minus b whole square na. Then we change in standard form. Then a minus b whole square. Then what is the value of ax minus what is the value of b? 7 upon 4 is whole square. Then we take the LCM from this side. 16 divided by 2 and add is 24 minus 24 plus 49. Okay. X minus 7 upon 4 whole square is equal to, here is the 25 upon 16. Students, yes, come. X minus 7 upon 4 whole square is equal to 25 upon 16. Students, we remove square from this side and change in square root. Okay. X minus 7 upon 4 change in square root. 25 upon 16 with the sign of plus and minus. Okay, student. Then x minus 7 upon 4, here we remove the square root, then the 25 is square of 5 and 16 is square of 4 and with the sign of plus minus. Okay. Then students, we find the value of x now. Then 5 upon 4 at here already, and we transfer of 7 upon 4 in that side and plus sign plus. Then students, here 5 upon 4 is with the double sign plus and minus. Then first in condition we use the plus sign, and second we use this minus sign. Okay. Then x is equal to, first we use plus sign, then minus 5 upon 4 is in plus na, plus 7 upon 4 is same as. For LCM, 5 plus 4 is equal, 5 plus 7 12 upon 4 is equal to 3x. Okay. Then second condition we use the minus sign. Then minus 5 upon 4 plus 7 upon 4 is same as, we take LCM, minus 5 plus 7. 2 upon 4 we cut 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 and 3 is answer. Okay. Then students, in this video we discussed that what is the perfect square method, what is the Sridharacharya method, what steps will be used in this methods. Okay. And it is the complete, and if you problem in both methods then you write in comment and I explain, no problem. Then again, thank you so much, student.